Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 and the Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-1. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The BISSELL Power Steamer is priced at $175, which some reviewers found steep but worth it for tough cleaning jobs. In contrast, the Shark Steam and Scrub is more budget-friendly at $139, making it a popular choice for those looking to save a few bucks while still getting a quality product. Now, let's get to cleaning power. Reviewers of the BISSELL Power Steamer rave about its ability to tackle tough stains and grime, especially on grout, although some mentioned that the accessories wear down quickly. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub impresses users with its scrubbing capability, achieving over 150 scrubs per minute, making it effective for various surfaces. It's noted for its ease of use and ability to sanitize effectively, which is a big plus for many. When it comes to steam modes, the BISSELL Power Steamer offers variable steam modes and an on-demand trigger, giving users control for different cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub features 3 steam modes tailored for quick cleanups, everyday use, and deep cleaning, which users appreciate for its versatility in handling various messes. In terms of design and usability, the BISSELL Power Steamer has a swivel head and wall mounts for easy storage, though some users find it heavy and cumbersome. Reviewers appreciate its maneuverability despite the weight. The Shark Steam and Scrub, on the other hand, is designed for all sealed hard floors and boasts swivel steering for easy navigation. Users love how lightweight and easy it is to use, making it ideal for those with mobility issues. Overall, the reviews for the BISSELL Power Steamer highlight its effectiveness for tough cleaning jobs, though some note the weight and accessory durability as drawbacks. In contrast, the Shark Steam and Scrub is praised for its ease of use and versatility, although some users pointed out limitations in reaching corners and visibility of the water level. Thanks for tuning in. Which product do you think is the ultimate cleaning champion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product comparisons, and don't forget to check out the product links in the description. Until next time, steam clean like a pro.